All right, let's go. If you're heading out, Big Coach this morning, temperatures now 20s. As Stephen mentioned, most of the roadways are going to be fine, especially in the southern area. We have more of a snowpack. Just use a little caution this morning. There could be a residual slick spot. Radar, we're fine here. Way up north, a couple of echoes. Those won't make it, but the cloud deck associated with that disturbance, upper airflow from the northwest, some clouds occasionally will try to move across southern Kansas and part of northern Oklahoma. Today, the winds will be lower compared to yesterday, but if you have outdoor activities that require light wind this weekend, unfortunately, that's not going to work out for you because Friday, southwest winds pick up at 15 to 25 miles per hour. Saturday is a flat-out windy day. 25 to 35 mile per hour winds. Sunday, that's a north wind. That's cold north winds. And we have a storm system that's approaching the area. So the first little small opportunity is Saturday evening, pre-dawn Sunday. Not a big deal. I'll have more on that in a minute. Monday night, Tuesday, into Tuesday night, early Wednesday, we have another strong looking storm system approaching the area. Unlike the last one that brought the opportunity for snow was dynamically driven. It was basically the cold air with the upper level system. This is different because colder air will already be in place and we have warm, moist air running up and over it. But the air mass is going to be an Arctic air mass. Now that's totally different because it's very shallow. That means the lower part of the atmosphere is going to be pretty cold, but above it, it can be warmer depending upon the exact location from the north to the south across the state. So what does all that mean? We get into Monday night and part of Tuesday, we have the opportunity for some wintry mix issues. We have the opportunity for some freezing rain issues. It's all going to depend on the depth of the cold air that's in place. More than likely, the way it looks early on, we could have some freezing rain or just rain across southern Oklahoma. We get into the Tuesday morning time period. But it's right in through here, central Oklahoma, the northern areas. We could have some wintry mix. It's impossible to know exactly at this point the exact setup for this, but the potential is here that we could have some wintry weather issues for the early part of next week. So we'll keep you posted on that as we get into mostly the Tuesday time period. So 23 right now. Winds are out of the west at 6 miles an hour. These are current temperatures. 23 in Jinx, it's 24 in McAllister, 22 in Pawnee, and 20 degrees in Veneta. 30s this morning, 40s through the afternoon, 7, 8, 9 o'clock tonight. No weather issues, just big coats and you're going to be fine. Highs in your hometown. There will be a variation today. Some snow still on the ground. That kind of regulates the temperature, keeps it cooler than it would normally be in this pattern. So take a look at your hometown. Tomorrow morning, Tulsa will start in the lower 30s, elsewhere mid to upper 20s, and we'll have a gusty southwest wind. A lot of sunshine tomorrow is going to look pretty good, and high temperatures will be into the mid 50s. Saturday morning, 30s and some 40s, and then Saturday is flat out windy. Now, before the front arrives, far southern Oklahoma could have a shower or two, and then as the front moves in late Saturday night, right behind it, there might be a little small area of freezing drizzle because Saturday morning will start into the 20s across the northern areas, and it will be cold. Unlike this last system, this cold air is going to stick around, we think, for pretty much all of next week. So we've got a pattern change coming up, but at least initially it's a miniature warm-up Friday and Saturday.